Galaxy S9 had the main marketing campaign based mainly on the camera, and because of that I want to test it in all the possible way. Well, I agree it has proven to be one of the best cameras on the market today, and in standard conditions the optical image stabilization it compensates for small movements very well. Here are some sample footages with small steps and stable walk. Phone double handheld. Even with stabilization turned off, held by another person with less skills, in an unstable position, it does an almost decent job. Now let's test the camera stabilization, in a last perfect condition, on I believe the worst surface for a smooth footage. We can clearly see that the footage is noticeably smoother, but sudden movements are still visible in places. At slow moves it did a good job and the result is smooth and nice, but in sudden movements there is almost no difference and the motion is jerky and unpleasant to watch. This is a fail for running. Now let's see how it can handle the stairs, and I start with a regular walk up and down. This is similar with hill walking or scrambling. Let's continue with running, an activity similar with mountain running. The resulting image is very shaky. Running up the stairs is very rocky and the optical stabilization is trying to correct the movements, but the result is less than perfect. As a conclusion, the optical stabilized camera is good, but not great. It only compensates for slight shocks and some small trembling, like normal movements for regular walking. This means that if you want good results, you will have to learn to use it gently. However, the image quality is affected because the correction produces blurred areas in the image. For all other types of fast, quick, or sudden moves, I recommend using a gimbal. Thank you for watching. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel.